Well guys, most businesses don't have a lead problem. They only have a follow-up problem. You are spending money on ads, running a website, posting on Instagram, and leads are just coming in. But somewhere in between, I am interested and I want to buy, you are actually losing them. So today I'm going to show you exactly why is it happening and what you can do to fix it. Let me just ask you something. Right now, do you even know how many leads just came in this week? And do you know which ones have been followed up and which ones are hot and which one just slipped through? If you're honest, probably you do not know that. And wait, that's actually not your fault. So here's what's actually happening in small businesses. Leads are coming from 5 or 6 different places. Either it is WhatsApp, Facebook, DMs, Instagram, Reels and comments, website forms, phone calls and Facebook ads. Your team is trying to manage all of that inside their head. Either it is Excel or WhatsApp groups, leads are just getting buried. And someone just inquiries on the Friday afternoon, but nobody replies until Monday. What is happening? That lead is already talking to your competitor. One study told that responding to the lead within 5 minutes makes you 5 times more likely to convert them. But most SMEs are responding in 5 hours or just not at all. The money you are spending on ads, it's going into a bucket with a hole in it. So let's fix that hole. Now you might be wondering, what is CRM and why does every SME needs one? Well, let me just tell you, CRM actually stands for Customer Relationship Management. But forget the technical definition. Here's what it actually is. A CRM is a system that actually helps you capture every lead, track where they are in your sales process, follows up at the right time, and converts more of them into paying customers. Now, think of it as your operating system for your sales team. Without a CRM, your system is actually just working on a memory, WhatsApp and hook. So with the CRM, every single lead is captured, tagged, tracked and followed up. You can see at any point exactly which lead just came in, who's been contacted and who hasn't, who is ready to buy and who still needs a nudge. That's the difference between a business that grows within a team of 3 and one that still needs 10 people to do the same work. So let me just introduce you to the Nexurate CRM. Nexurate CRM is a AI-powered CRM and business automation system designed specifically for small and medium businesses. Well, it's just not a simple contact database. It's a complete lead to customer system built to help you capture follow-ups and convert more leads without needing a bigger sales team. So here's what it includes. First, unified lead capture. Every lead from your website, either it is Facebook ads, Google ads, Meta ads, WhatsApp, Instagram, phone calls and forms. All of them just flows into one single inbox. So no more chasing leads across 6 different apps. Second, the visual sales pipeline. You can see every lead, exactly where that is in your process. Third, automated follow-ups. The moment a lead comes in, Nexurate CRM will send a WhatsApp, email or SMS automatically. No delays, no missed opportunities. Fourth, AI chatbot on your WhatsApp or website. Fifth, AI voice agent that handles your inbound calls and keeps your leads warm while your team is just sleeping. Sixth, appointment booking with automated calendars. 7th, landing pages and funnels. 8th, full reporting dashboards so that you can always know your numbers. Now, Nexurate CRM is our white label CRM and automations platform powered by HighLevel Technologies, one of the most trusted CRM platforms all over the world, customized and implemented by our team at Nexurate Technologies specifically for your CMEs to work on with. Oh, wait, let me just give you a real example so that it just clicks you. So let's say you run a immigration consultancy in Singapore. You are running Facebook ads and Google ads. Leads are coming in from forms, WhatsApp and Instagram ads. But before Nexurate CRM, a lead fills out a form at Friday afternoon, but nobody sees it until Monday. Your WhatsApp has 40 unread messages and your team, it doesn't know which ones are serious. You lose 3 leads that weekend to a competitor who just replied faster, and even the owner, he doesn't have an idea how many leads just came in last month and how many were just converted. But after Nexurate CRM, the moment that lead fills the form, they get a instant WhatsApp message. Hi, thanks for reaching out. We have received your inquiry and our team will connect with you shortly. And here is the link to book your consultation. So from now here, the lead will be tagged as a new lead into your CRM and a 5-step follow-up sequence starts automatically. So now here it is. The AI chatbot, it answers the queries automatically and their appointment is booked. And what happens? Your consultant, he will open his CRM on Monday and every lead will be there, tagged, categorized and all ready. And what about the owner? He checks the dashboard. In total, 28 leads this week, 14 connected, 6 appointments booked and 2 just converted. So that's the difference a proper sales team actually makes. But now you might be thinking, can I just buy the software myself? And absolutely yes, you can. But here's what most business owners they discovered. After spending weeks trying to set it up, the software is only 20% of the solution and the remaining other 80% is the real strategy. What automations should you build? How should your pipelines be structured? And what should your follow-up message say? Even how do you set up the AI chatbot correctly? And that's where Nexurate Technologies come in to help you. We don't just give you a CRM login. Normally, we are going to build your entire sales system. We will be setting up your pipeline, your automations, your WhatsApp and email follow-up sequences, your AI chatbot, your booking calendar, your reporting. Everything will be configured for your specific business. And then we are going to just train your team and support you as you grow. You don't need to become a tech expert. You just need a system that works. So here's where I want to leave you. If your business is getting leads but not converting that much, it's definitely not a marketing problem. It's a whole system problem. And the good news is it's totally fixable. Don't just buy another tool. Build a proper sales team. What you need to do is just book a free clarity call with our team at Nexurate. We will just look at your current setup and identify exactly where leads are slipping and definitely show you how Nexurate CRM help you capture follow-ups and convert more of them without hiring more people. So why to wait? The link to book your call is down in the description. And if this video helped you, drop a comment just by saying CRM. It genuinely helps me to know what topic to keep making. So like, subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.